So for today's video, we are going to help you and guide you how to access your Brightspace. We all know in this pandemic, we are not allowed to go to school or having a face-to-face. But social media platforms, teacher use that to interact and communicate to the students like Zoom, Google Meet, Messenger, and Gmail to continue our class. And one of those platforms is the Brightspace. So if you are not familiar and you need to use that, you must click this video to help you. And I will call my friends Rain and Mary.
Hello everyone, my name is Rain Marian. I'm gonna show you how to use Brightspace account which learner in NSPC use. But first of all, what is Brightspace? Brightspace is a cloud-based learning platform built by educators for educators that works on any device, which can be a cell phone or a laptop and computer. More than just a learning management system, Brightspace combines the powerful tools, services, and support you need to deliver a best-in-class teaching and learning experience, all in one convenient package. So how you gonna enter the Brightspace account? First, you're gonna receive an email from Brightspace or the school, which includes your username that you're gonna use in your account. In here, the username was given is ml.lucido, and to access your account, you need to reset your password. After you reset your password, you need to go to the login page. So you just need to, in here, you need to enter your username and your password, and then log in. Now we can see the homepage of the Brightspace account. First, see what inside in the profile. So the profile here you can change your profile picture and your name and the notifications and account settings that can edit your account of the settings of your account, progress, and the switch of your logout. Then the notification bell. In here, you can see the announcements or the progress of your modules or your courses and the grading system of your teachers. In message, then the message, your teachers can message you using your Brightspace account regarding our subject. And then next one, the sandbox of your courses. It includes here all the courses that you were enrolled at. And then down here. Scroll down, please. These boxes or sandboxes are all the courses you need to finish within the semester or the year. And here on the right side is the announcements of general announcement of school, like this one to all SPCians, which means to all the students of SPC and their message. And then after that, we're going to click a subject. And here is you can see the course home.
Hello. Now, I'm going to discuss with you what you can see inside a sandbox or when you click a subject. Let's click our purposive communication sandbox. This is what you can see when you open your GEC1 sandbox or any sandboxes in your Brightspace account. You can see the course home, the content, assignments, discussions, quizzes, class list, grades, class progress, course tools, help, and more. For the course home, it will just be a preview of what you can see on your sandbox. It also have the content navigator on the bottom part, which includes what you have viewed last. And also, you can see here announcements from your teacher regarding the topic or the class. Like this, we have the Zoom meeting here. You can see also the calendar, the activity feed, and the task. You can also see here the deadlines of the activities, quizzes that you need to accomplish. For the content, this is where you can see the PowerPoint presentations, your modules, your course outline, like this one, and also the course description. Course, we have prelim, which contains all the PowerPoint presentations, modules in every lesson. It was divided in each lesson. I'll open this local and the lesson 3, the local and global communication. It has 3 parts: the heart, the head, and the hand. The heart represents the engagement, head represents the modules or the PowerPoint presentations. And for the hand, it is the assessment in a form of a quiz or an assignment. Let's try to open this lesson 3 quiz. You have to click this, go to assignment, it will direct you to the quiz. Then, for the assignment, you can pass text, video, file, and pictures. But for this one, it was only a text submission. So example, you have www.bs.com. Example, that was the link. Then after pasting the link or anything, you have to click the submit button. But since this is not the assignment that I'm going to pass, I'll just cancel this one. Let's go to the assignment tab. This is where you're going to see all your assignments, the status, if you already completed it or not. For this one, di ko pa siya nagagawa, so it's not submitted. And you will see also the score and also the evaluation status. And also, in this part, you can see the due date, which will be set by your teacher. The discussions. This is where your teacher is going to ask you for your insights about the topic. An example is this one, globalization. Our task is to write something about communication. I mean, globalization. Sorry. Like this one. Quizzes. This is where you're going to see all the quizzes assigned by your teacher. I'll just add that when you can see it in the assignments or the quizzes tab, it means that it's not visible and you're going to ask your teacher to make it visible for you. Then for this one, it was already checked by my teacher, so it has already the evaluation status feedback on attempt because it was already returned by my teacher. I'll just see when you click the feedback, your score. Then for the class list, this is where you're going to see all the list of students enrolled and also the teacher and also the department head. We also have the grades, which will be a summary of your scores. Will show your summary of your scores. And also the class progress. It will also show you the number of times you logged in the BS. For the course tools, it has announcements, checklists, groups, quizzes, surveys, virtual classroom. The virtual classroom of Brightspace is Bongo. Then video assignments, class list, and awards. For the help, it has the tutorials, documentation, community, and system check. For the more, it is only the virtual classroom, which is Bongo. I wasn't able to use it, so I'm not familiar with it. I guess it was the end of my tutorial about what you can see inside your course.
Hi again mga kabeshis, thank you Rain and Mary for the tutorial using laptops. And now in this online class, I know not all the students having laptops and computers. But it's okay. Like me, I use only my cell phone to access the Brightspace, but very easily and very quickly. So I got you. Now I will going to share my screen, and you can see here on this side. I'm start a recording. Like what Rain said, school sent you a message in your Gmail, and you can see this. You can see here your username and the reset my password. If you can change your password anytime, but always remember what your username and password that you use. You can search to your phone using your Chrome or your browser or other site, Brightspace login, and you can log in your accounts in there. But for me, I recommend you the Brightspace app. Yes, there's an apps for Brightspace. Go to your Play Store and search Brightspace Pulse, and you can see that it's free to download and install it. And now I already download it. Now let's open this up. As we can see, the San Pablo and St. Patrick homepage and the sandboxes of the subjects. You must click the San Pablo and St. Patrick homepage to see more content. If you want to see like in a laptop or computers, click the three dots in the top and click the desktop side. And now you can see this it's like in a laptop or a computer. And I will go to back. Like Rain said, you can see the top. You can see in the top is of your profile, your notifications, your message, instant message, and now your sandboxes of your subject. And under of your subjects, you will see the announcements, the calendar, the updates, and the tasks. Now, I will click one of my subjects. It's like in a laptop, you will see the course outline, the prelim, and this. It's look like in a laptop. And now, we can see the 3 line, and click that, and you will see the course home, content, assignments, discussions, quizzes, class list, grades, class progress, course tools, help, virtual classroom, admin tools. So let's click the assignments, and now you will see the here and the quizzes. You see this also. And I know that what we are showing to you is all the same like what Mary and Rain showed to us. That's how I access my Brightspace using my cell phone. And that's why I share my screen to prove you that there is no difference in a laptop, in what content that we see in a laptop, we can see in our cell phone. I just want you to know that you don't need to worry, even you don't have a laptop, and you can use your cell phone in your online class, because even Zoom, Google Meet, Messenger, and Gmail, and also the Brightspace, you can access them using your cell phone. I hope you learn more about this video. Thank you for watching, mga kabeshies. Bye-bye!